So here we have Unit 3 for Algebra A2, which has really turned into like a little geometry class. And we are starting a unit on triangles. So a triangle, as I'm sure you probably know, my chair's a little too high, has 3 sides and 3 angles. So over here in this picture, this is what we would call triangle KLM. You could also call that triangle LMK, KML, MLK. Any combination of those 3 letters would be a good name to call that triangle. In any triangle, the largest side is opposite from the largest angle. And the smallest side is opposite from the blank angle, which would be smallest angle. We have to fill that in. Is opposite from the smallest angle. Yeah. So if I'm looking at my picture over here of triangle KLM, the largest angle seems to be angle L right here, which I'm going to mark with red, right? That largest angle seems to be L. That looks like an obtuse angle. So that means that side KM is the longest side. So I'm going to say largest angle, I'm going to abbreviate angle, which means this is the longest side. We can't really tell if K is smaller than M or not, so we really can't tell which one of those sides is the smallest. For all we know, they could be equal. Who knows? The sides of a triangle can be labeled as either A, a line segment, so option 1, a line segment. So something like if we're looking at our triangle up here, that longest side would be side KM, line segment KM. Or you can label the side with the lowercase letter that matches the letter of the angle opposite from that side. Boom, the words are more confusing than the actual concept. So with the lowercase letter that matches the letter of the angle opposite. So if we're looking back to our diagram here, again, still talking about that longest side is across from or is opposite from angle L. So this would be called side L, lowercase l. Over here, this would be called side. This side right here is across from or is opposite from angle M. So this would be side M. And then this over here would be side across from this is angle K. So again, just making sure that you're using lowercase letters when you're doing that. Uppercase letters when you're talking about the line segments or the triangle name itself. Lowercase letters if you're just talking about the side there. Okay, I don't think there's anything else I need to talk about there. Yeah, we'll move on to the next video and see what's next.